It's currently 6 a.m. Get ready for me to go to a pool party in the Hamptons. We're gonna be out in the sun all day, so I'm applying the Dream Beam Kosas sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen right now. It makes your skin look so dewy. I'm trying to learn how to style my curtain bangs, so bear with me as I try to put these rollers in. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. We're gonna be in the heat, so I don't really want to wear that much foundation. I do want to be really dewy. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. No foundation today, just concealer. We're going to a Hamptons pool party with Sephora today. I've lived in New York for a little bit now, but I've never been to the Hamptons, so I'm very, very excited. I have to leave in about 40 minutes to catch the shuttle to go to the Hamptons from New York, but I think we're making good time. This is one of the new blush shades from Dior. This is in the shade Rosewood. It's beautiful. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, just a little bit to warm up the skin. Completely forgot about lips. This gloss from Dior is my new favorite. Okay, let's check the hair. I need to change into my outfit. Outfit's on, jewelry's on, hair's done, makeup's on. Let's go. I'm also gonna bring this SPF stick because I don't fool around with SPF. So we got to the summer house hosted by Who What Wear. This is the fit that I ended up wearing. I thought it was super cute and very Hamptons inspired. These girls were so fun. We rode all the way from Manhattan to the Hamptons. Sephora was actually one of the partners for the summer house, so there was an SPF lounge complete with all of the SPF goodies, Summer Fridays, Super Goop, all the best sunscreens, Inky List, Shiseido as well. I've become very diligent when it comes to my SPF, so make sure you have a good one in your routine. I have a couple that I cycle through. If you don't have a good SPF, go to Sephora, get an SPF.